Okay, video 2 for our quarter 3 performance assessment. This is an argument paragraph done in the form of a character report card. In this second video, you will notice that I have finished my paragraph. One thing that I want to point out is that I highly recommend that you color code the different parts of your paragraph. I have put my intro and conclusion in red. Wherever I have cited line number and page numbers, those are in blue. I have put my traits in bold here, and that's just going to make it easier for me to go through, and even if you've highlighted the wrong thing or changed the wrong color, then that's a good conversation that you and I can have. And I can say, okay, look, I can see why you think this is support, but it really needs to be this, this, and this. Okay, so it's not necessarily about being right or wrong. It's about having a good conversation and making your paragraph and your writing stronger. One of the things that I want to suggest to you is that you know, this text box I think was somewhere down here. So my type went off of the Google Draw. Move the text box around. As long as it's something that's pretty straightforward, like Times New Roman, you can change the font, you can mess around with the size. Notice that mine is a pretty long paragraph, and it almost goes from the top to bottom. I wouldn't want yours to be any bigger than this, probably not much smaller. Please make sure that it's in a font that's big enough that I will be able to read. And also, do not forget to put your name, your first and last name, capitalize your first and last name, the class period, and then go ahead and just put the date that you're starting it. It doesn't necessarily have to be the date that it's due. Before you turn it in, double check that you have everything completed that you need to get the grade that you want. The grade that you earn is the amount of effort that you put into it, so that formatting, that presentation is part of it too. Use this model. This model is linked in the Canvas assignment. So if you need help knowing what it's supposed to look like, or what kind of details to include, you know, how specific you need to have them, then use this model to help you do that. All right, I hope this video series has helped you with your quarter 3 performance assessment. Watch these videos as much as you can, as much as you need to get a successful grade on your project.